Hi, I'm Krister, and this is Kanbanq, a lean project management tool which is available in any browser, on desktop and on mobile. Currently, we're in open alpha, so anybody can join in with the fun. The first thing you might notice is that it might look a little basic, which is by design. We love tools like Trello, ClickUp, Linear, and the multitude of other competitors out there, but truth be told, we just found them either too complex or far too simple, which is the reason why we made Kanbanq, because it should be simple yet powerful, and it shouldn't feel like a job. We'll be talking about the specific features, what makes Kanbanq unique in the next videos, like how we manage our backlog, our sprints, how tasks are managed, how we collaborate in real time, what's coming soon, like AI, there's gonna be a button over here, and much, much more. Okay, well, that's just a quick, brief overview, but stay tuned for more. There's other videos. There should be a playlist nearby here somewhere. And we hope to see you in Kanbanq soon. You can help us out by joining the Discord. The links are in the description below. We still have a lot to do, and we would love to have your feedback. Please just give this video a thumbs up, and we hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.